Hey everyone, my name is Katrina. I am a pelvic floor physical therapist, and in this video, I am going to talk about how you can use silicone cups to help open up the front of your chest. Now, this is really great if you tend to have rounded shoulders, just a lot of tightness in the front of your chest or your pecs, even struggling with neck pain, or just want to feel like you want to improve your posture and feel better about yourself. So I really love these silicone cups. Now these are the Elera brand, which I will link below, but these are the silicone transparent cups. They are squishy, they are soft, and I really like it because you can kind of control how much pressure you want to apply using these cups. So I'm going to use the smallest ones. Now these come in small, medium, and large. So if you want to use these on your back, you can use the larger ones. You tend to use the smaller ones for smaller areas of your body. Like if you want to use your arm, you can put the cup on your arm and it sticks and works very well. Or even if you want to do your neck, you can squish it on your neck. Again, works well, it fits well, and it doesn't fall off. So when you're using these cups, you generally want to use some type of lubricant. So whether that's vitamin E oil, massage cream, any body lotion, works perfectly fine. I am currently not using any lotion, but again, you can if you want, as the cups will probably stick a little better. So you can kind of see I did a little bit of cupping on the front of my chest. So I'm going to show you how to use these cups to open up the front of your chest. Now, this is something I commonly do about once a week, maybe every other week, just to keep my chest more open, feel like I have better posture, and just prevent a lot of tension and tightness from building up in the front of my body. So again, to use these cups, you're just going to squeeze it at the top, and you're going to stick it along your chest, like so. So I'm going to put and then kind of go like that. Now you can do anywhere along the front of your chest. Now this is basically below the clavicle line, down towards the sternum, across into the armpit. So this area right here. So you can do both sides at the same time, or you can just stick with one side. Now I generally like to leave these cups on for about a minute or two, and I like to do dynamic movements with them. So that may look like scapular protraction and retraction, so kind of rounding the shoulders and then opening up the chest and doing that a few times. Now I'm going to do this for about 10-15 times. You can even do trunk rotations as well, or you can even add in some head movement, so adding in a cervical extension with opening of the chest and then cervical flexion with rounding. So again, you can really do any type of dynamic movement that you want to. Now I'm just going to stick with my arms and doing a little bit of thoracic extension and flexion. Again, you're going to probably feel a pulling sensation underneath the cup. That's totally normal. If you have too much tension, you can always readjust the cup and just squeeze a little bit of less pressure so that there's not as much skin pulling or tension underneath the cup. And generally, I don't know if I said this before, you can keep it on for a minute or two. And then I'm just going to relax. And then to take it off, I'm simply going to pinch the cup and then I pull it off. Now you're going to see some redness there. That's totally normal. That just means I'm a little bit tight there. And I'm going to do this area as well. So that is pretty much how you use the silicone cups. Generally, these red marks can stay on for about maybe 3 days to up to a week. So you generally want to do this. I mean, you don't want to do it every day, but you can kind of space it out into doing this once a week or so. Again, just to improve your posture, feel more open, and feel less slouched. So again, I hope that video was helpful. Again, this was just a very short video on how to use cupping for the front of your chest. Hopefully I can do a video on different body parts. If you'd like to see other videos on how to cup different body parts, I can also show you that as well. Just feel free to leave a comment below. If you have any questions, feel free to also drop them below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this was helpful.